Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister T.K. Shivkumar has urged the State Election Commission to undertake a comprehensive street-wise and house-wise verification of voters in Bengaluru ahead of the upcoming Greater Bengaluru Authority elections. In a letter addressed to the Chief State Election Commissioner, Shivkumar stated that he had received widespread complaints from multiple wards and polling stations pointing to serious irregularities in the recently prepared electoral rolls. He conveyed that these discrepancies were systemic in nature and risked undermining the credibility of the electoral process. He mentioned that several families residing in the same household had been assigned to different polling stations and even separate wards. He also highlighted allegations of duplicate voter entries, claiming that some individuals appeared in more than one ward, thereby inflating the voter list. In one instance, a voter had allegedly been recorded under two different genders. Shivkumar further indicated that there had been arbitrary deletions of long-time voters with many names reportedly removed without prior notice or due verification. He also pointed to mass transfers of voters across wards. As an example, he noted that entire families originally belonging to Ward 110 had been shifted to Ward 109, despite their addresses remaining unchanged within Ward 110. Additional concerns, he said, included the display of Aadhaar details in place of voter photographs and the omission of entire roads and houses from the electoral rolls. To address these issues, Shivkumar proposed that the Commission conducted a detailed mapping exercise. He suggested that every street be accurately linked to its designated polling station, every house mapped to the correct street, and every voter mapped to a specific residence. He maintained that such a structured street house voter mapping system would enhance accuracy, prevent duplication, and eliminate arbitrary transfers or deletions. He urged the Commission to prioritize the exercise and launch a special verification drive to ensure that no eligible citizen was denied the constitutional right to vote.